So, very good morning, team. Just confirm me if you are able to hear me well. Are you sure? So, in a minute or two, we will be taking 41,300, 42,300 C and PE of this week expiry. I'm going to add those strikes to my watch list now. Just allow me one moment. This is already. Yeah, I'm just adding it. Basket order I'm going to create. Send this NFO. Market order. Buy option strikes of 42,300. Like I said, I'm adding well, so this is added to my watch list, and also I'm going for PE now, and this again another 500 quantities. I'm just adding it, not going to execute it yet. I'm just going to see when the prices are almost like rewarding. Hi, Parish Patel, very good morning. Ravi, very good morning. Abhishek, very good morning. Going to be this. This is right, great. Apply market. I wanted to just check where the market is before I place 346. That's good. So this is great. So should I go for this right away? 9:22 now. So in 15 minutes we don't get much details. Since it's an opening trade, I would like to go and zoom in. Let's keep the ball rolling. I would love to initiate position around close to 300 levels because the CE premiums are a bit higher. If I look at the strike, the PE is at 184 and the CE is at 240. So what happens is there is already a 60 points difference, right? And when the market comes down, the CE will erode much faster than PE getting appreciated. So I would almost like to have it close to the same values, like say 220, 230. That's a good thing, right? At least 200, 220 is fine. But 184, 240 means there is a lot of difference, right? I don't want that. So meanwhile, I will add these strikes to my watch list. Maybe I will try including 200, 300, all of it. Option strikes. Today I'm in my hometown. Yesterday I came here. That's why you will find some new settings here, and I'm just checking the audio quality is good or not for the same reasons. So C, I'm adding, no, P I have to add 42 200 to my watch list. Then C I would like to add. Then 300 I wanted to add, and P I wanted to add. So 4 strikes added to my watch list. Good. Maybe even 400 C I can try, because I wanted to keep a track of what 400 is doing. So 400 is actually 400 looks very good now, because 197 and 210, that looks more reasonable for me. Since it's close to 400, I would like to keep that. Okay, let's check the comments quickly. Nothing on trading view. Hi Divya, very good morning. Hi Selvi, good morning. 8.4% done till now, planning for next week P. Amazing, Abhishek, you are killing it. Amazing. While I am just adding the strikes, you have already done 8%. That's brilliant. So there we are. Like to apply market to everything because the 300 C and P are getting closer now at 190, 200 and 220 like I expected, and just then I am going to place this order, right? And it got executed, so both are both the positions taken now. So what is the price I got it executed? 201 for PE and 221 for CE. So this is great, right? And going to see how it works. Already it is giving me some 1,800 rupees profits. Quickly shifting between plus 1,000 to minus 1,000. The prices are just getting inflated. See, what happened is that market closed here, gave a gap up, entered into this channel, tried to break it, filled the gap, still there is more gap left, and then it is playing in the channel, right? So I will be playing directionals at the peak. When it reaches this particular level, I'm going to play PE positions, right? Like 500 is a good resistance point, very logical thing to do that. Plus if the straddle is getting into some sort of consolidation, and that will give me some good returns, right? So nice. Okay, let's check. So how I weave this is 200 rupees and 220 rupees, 420 rupees is my investment, and whichever side becomes say about 400 or 420, it's good to close that side, uh, or probably partial closures and things like that I can do. It's going to be that way. Let's see if there is any sort of breakout today. It'll be a fantastic return, because all I am seeing is that this week I am expecting some 600 to 800 points of move on the upside, or on the downside I am expecting some 1000 points to 1500 points. Whichever way it is, it's good. And if it happens today, that nothing like it. So that's why I'm playing weekly expiries, because the gamma effect will be more. Okay, what is the gamma effect? A gamma effect is when the market is close to the expiry. We are trading close to the expiry day. The option premiums will fluctuate faster, because it's expiring. It will have high levels of volatility, right? And as a straddle holder, you wanted volatility, right? Only then you will make money. So monthly PE, suppose monthly straddles, if I have done 500 rupees, 500 rupees, let's say 1000 rupees of investment, and then for 1000 rupees of move, do I expect 1000 rupees of move? No, I don't expect. But I'm expecting some 600 to 800 points of move, right? So going for monthly will not give me break even. That's the reason I'm going for weekly. Okay, hope now you understand the logic. So far, never in this last 3 months you would have seen me suggesting for current week expiry, but all of a sudden I am saying, you must be wondering why, right? So each market condition is unique, and we have to adapt the strategies basis market conditions, right? So let's see if there are any questions, any comments. Yeah, good, Abhishek. I am seeing that you have, you're one real good scalper. I understand that. You have a knack for entries and exits. Just before we could think, you will already be done with your trades and exited it. So, right. Is there any? Yeah. My pleasure always, Abhishek. So again, no, slowing down is the biggest threat. Plus, let's check out the India VIX, right? Like one of the other big challenges, India VIX falling. Why it's very difficult for straddles to give you profit is because of VIX. Those VIX, if it is the more higher the VIX, the option premium will be higher. Lower the VIX, the option premium will be lower, right? For example, the current week expiry at the money strikes, if you look at it, both are trading around PEC, both are trading around 200 to 230 rupees. But if you just go back in time and see when the VIX was around 15, what was the option price at the money? It will be somewhere around 15, 16 means VIX, it should be somewhere around 300 to 350, right? If it is 17, 18, 400, 450 like that. And VIX about, let's say 20, then your option premium will be around 450 rupees. Like, depending upon what the VIX is, the option premium at the money changes. Right now, when VIX is falling so much, what happens is even when the market is moving in the right direction, right, the premium appreciation will not be there, but depreciation will be too fast. For example, C may be giving you 3 rupees, P will be eroding 10 rupees. Like it's crazy, right? You are winning 3 rupees, you are losing 10 rupees. And that's the reason at levels we should play directional, which I am doing. I don't recommend that for you because your strategy should be simple. Initiate a straddle. When the breakout happens, it's fine. If it does not, book the erosion loss, okay, and get out of the trade. Try it tomorrow again, because all we care is one breakout, right? And then whatever erosion that we have lost will be obtained in just matter of one breakout, right? So if you don't want to really risk much and then okay to lose the premium erosion, then initiate straddle and wait for the whole day. Don't do anything. But for someone like me who loves to play directional as well at levels, quick scalping I do, and for that reasons I will be like trying things. Okay, so anyway, these are the quick updates. Now keep it simple. Don't think of shorting this market. When VIX is low, you should never short the market. Okay, because the only way VIX can be released from like 12, if it has to go to 15, only one thing can make it happen. That is market falling like 1000 to 1500 points. In fact, I was telling my friend, I have said it a couple of times in the stream also. One of my friend, I was telling that it doesn't look good. That this was like about 3 years back, just before COVID. I was saying that the VIX was somewhere around 11.5, something like that. Said this is not good, this is not good. All the option premiums were like at the money was at 70 rupees or something on Wednesday. On Wednesday, it was like so low. Next day, there was some 1800 points of fall. Okay, so and it is not one time instance. I have seen that at least some 2-3 instances I have observed in last so many years of trading. Whenever VIX is low, extremely low, you can expect a massive fall. Okay, that's the reason I am not recommending anybody to be directional on the CE side, because if you take, and unfortunately on that particular day, if it breaks out after you took the position, you can't even imagine the loss, right? So, like I sent you the screenshot also in the Telegram channel, what happened to the CE premiums, right? So don't want to risk that way. That's why we are going for long straddle. It's okay to lose on premium erosion than to lose the capital. Right, this is a good move. This is a good move. Let's check some comments over here. There are none on TradingView. Cool. This is cool. I'm going to check. Right. Finally, we are having some breakout there, and markets inching up. I'm in a profit of 500 rupees for all these crazy up moves, because the P is depreciating like anything. And here is what I am going to do. When it reaches 4500, I've taken 500 quantities, right? I will be discarding about 125 quantities. C is not appreciating, guys. P is depreciating, but C is not moving at all. That's sad. Very sad. That's also largely because of the same candle reversals. It made a high and then it came down, right? So C is depreciating before this, and P is depreciating for this up move. C is also losing its gain because it came down in the same candle. So uh, horrible. Unless otherwise we have a consistent move, this is not a great thing. So I have taken a PE position when it reached this peak. This is directional play. At this level I am taking some PE positions, and rightly so, it is rewarding instantly. I'm going to exit this at, wait a second, 192 I entered, and I wanted to exit it above so 203, and trail it with 205. So very simple. All I am capturing is 12 points I am capturing. Okay, so I want to capture 12 points with volume, of course. So that will keep me holding this position without much trouble. The long straddles that I'm holding, I wanted to make it risk free. Of course, I'm waiting for my targets. It's at 198, 202 above. I wanted to sell, so 4 more rupees to go on the PE side, and then I should exit this trade. Um, so difficult to catch even 10 points. That levels of erosion is there. Uh, Challenging, honestly challenging. 200, it is coming to 200 now. Come on. god. Where is it? My god, some error. It went there 204 also, but then I don't know, something didn't work. Yeah, it got executed. Excellent. 203.35, it got executed. So what happened there was I was able to book quickly 11 points. But is 11 points worth it? Yes, if you're playing with volume, right? So 500 quantities I played and then was able to book 5,500 rupees, right? Now my straddle is giving me a loss, but this directional trading is making me profitable by 2,000 rupees. So that's good. That's good. Hi Akshay, I'm doing great. How are you? Sorry, I just checked your message. I was uh, dealing with my positions. So, hi Sanmit Thomas, welcome. Welcome to the group. Yes, P is not appreciating. I can also see that it's not really appreciating. I was trying to get in there and barely got some 12 points, sorry, 11 points. My goodness, now it is going pretty fast. My goodness, what is happening here? Again, the same consolidation game. Hey guys, if you're new to this stream, please do like, follow, and keep supporting. Definitely, your support is much needed for us to grow, and it'll be good to have you on a regular basis so that we can discuss. If you have questions, please shoot out, and let's have some good time, right? And look at the momentum of this fall. Wow, just wow. Uh, it, it see, the only problem is it should not go back with the same length and form into a wick. Otherwise, this is not going to be good. The erosion will be maximum on both the sides. Wow. Are you guys seeing what I am seeing? Uh, Possibly we might have a terrific move. My goodness, had I waited for the P extra directional thing, I'd have made some good money there. It's currently at 241. My goodness, I exited at 203. Now it is 245. Wow. Unbelievable. Mhm. Hi, Smith Thomas. Hi. Haven't traded for a long time. Oh, were you on break or something, Smith Thomas? What is VIX happening? What is happening to VIX? 12.32. Cool. Wow, look how quickly it is falling. Wow, amazing. Yeah, thanks to that fall. Of course, it's just massive. So they are really beating the premiums so much. Pretty scary to see this sort of erosions happening on Tuesdays. At least take some directions. That's good. But then this is like clear fall, and I think they are trying to close this gap and go higher. But it's good to see that the market is trading below 300 for the first time in the day. Let's see the sustenance of it. That's very important. So these quick pullbacks are going to hurt the PE holders because already it's not appreciating much, and immediately as soon as it falls, it just gives some sort of pullback. That's going to hurt. So, all right, I'll just use washroom and be back. Just give me some 5 minutes of time. I should be back. Okay. Hey guys, I'm back. Uh, let's check the comments quickly. Uh, Very good morning, Vijay. Hi, welcome. How is your trade going, Vijay? All good? Let's check what's happening with the graph. Uh, we are trying to enter back into this channel, and that's pure consolidation there. Very, very much they are beating the premiums on both the sides completely. We can see that whatever SP has gained with this sort of lifting, it got washed off. Just a moment. All right, see that moves, right? These are the moves that's going to hurt because we are just not going in either directions, and then it's simply like uh, washing off the premiums on both the sides. 242. I'm going to check the comments once. Straddle now I would suggest, yes, you can go for 42 300 C and P. That's what I would suggest. These are really very tiring days, right? Like such a big fall, and immediately it's like four candles. See, this is one candle, this is four candles. So 20 minutes wasted here. So whatever the P has gained is lost in this 20 minutes, right? And neither the C is appreciating because it is very small increment for every 5 minutes. So beating the premiums badly. Lost in P trade. Where did you enter, Divya? Let's check the comments here. Option buy. I used to trade back in India, but I live in Canada right now. Oh, that's great, Smith Thomas. Amazing. So, OBDE, good morning. Levels to trade, I think we should stick with going for straddle here because we don't know which side it's going to break out. In order to give yourself a fair chance of success, you need to initiate 42,300 C and P. That is what I would recommend. Option buying, no selling in these markets is going to wipe off. When the breakout happens, it's going to be extremely challenging. So we don't want to risk that. I'm going to quickly read the OI data as well. Just allow me a moment. I wanted to be sure that we have all the data in place and are well informed. Yes, I do use Synapse. Yes. So we are just staying here for some time now. So you're suggesting straddle to buy, not to sell. That's right, Tarun. Because VIX is extremely low, around 12.2, 12.3. And when VIX is such low, what happens usually is when there is a breakout on either side, it will be a fierce breakout, like say about 600 points or 800 points, like that, there will be a breakout. And most likely, if it is on the downside, we can even have 1000 points of breakouts as well. So your straddles will be giving you bigger losses. So the risk here is whatever, if the market consolidates, the theta erosion, the premium erosion is going to be your risk. If you are okay with that, then that's fine. But purely being a writer in this market, maybe rewarding 1 day, 2 days, 3 days, but if you get into that, you will start liking it, and eventually what will happen is there will be a massive breakout, and then we will lose everything we have gained in 3-4 days. So Just can you guys confirm if you are able to hear me? I think there is some internet issue. Can you guys confirm? Not sure if my internet is stable. I wanted some confirmation from you guys. Oh, great, Siddharth. Thanks, Divya, for the confirmation. How are you, Siddharth? Been a while. I guess you are busy.